Hi everyone! It's time for your third challenge. Now last week you got used to the three-part challenge, so I decided to keep it that way this week as well. Part 1. We know you all want abs, and one of the best exercises is a sit-up. Teammates will sit facing each other, and when I say go, they'll do the sit-up exercise. Just a couple of rules, right? They must high-five each other at the top, and it's a timed challenge. Which team can do the most sit-ups in 1 minute? Let's see.
Me kind of feel nervous, when I time me stop talk to everybody. Everybody has Malika want to you. When me I look on the tire them and the cone them, I say, what is for me again, Father God?
And I was like, Lord God, we'll get the 500 sit-ups now.
I don't really worry about the challenge because I used to do track and field. So most of the challenges, them have an idea.
All right, blue team, you ready? On your mark, get set, go!
It was a bit rough. Why? Because I went totally down. I never realized I could go do the perfect thing but don't go way back. So me with this big body coming back up.
Well, she's a lot shorter than I am. I'm a lot taller, so one of us, she have to stretch out her legs and I have to kind of squeeze up mine. But I think we did a good job getting the high five going. It wasn't too bad.
When the burning starts to come on, it's like you can't push, and then you hear the trainer voice saying, push and come up, Judith, and I'm like, push go where? But then, he said, all right, swing out the hand. So when I swing out the hand, them now you kind of give me a little boost to come up.
Remember, you have to high five.
Judith, I know that she can't really do sit-ups so well, because I give her a sit-up before, and well, she's mostly top heavy. So it's kind of hard for her to do a full sit-up.
I'll pass out by 20, by probably 25 when I should probably go more if I had set properly.
Give me 3 more. Give me 3 more. Come on. Let's go. 1 more. 1. 1 again.
Time.
That's alright.
I think we got through it fairly easily without dying. So it's fine.
Alright, I feel that was a winning amount. That was a winning amount. That was decent. Red team, be very scared of that.
Red.
Yellow team, don't stop doing what you're doing. We like it.
All right, red team, on your mark, get set, go!
A long time I don't do no sit-up still, never bad. Alright.
Wow, the sit-ups. Hard. When you go right back and come back up, your spine, your leg them, pain up. It's rough, man, I lie. Rough. So anybody I come talk about we fat people and a style we. Enough of them can do what we do. Can't do it. And I tell because this really challenging.
Push, come on. Few more.
Time. All right, yellow team, on your mark, get set, go!
Come on, Andre.
When I saw Jason do his 40, I was saying, those guys are not doing it properly. Jason is rocking back and forward and counting it.
Sit-ups at first, I was like, okay, I can manage this because that's my thing.
Can himself
I don't know, Andre said I do still, but Andre the two are spread out like flitters.
Apparently I was spread out like an eagle trying to get up the first time round, and everybody was saying I should have hooked my legs into Kerry's, and I tried, but it just wasn't working because mine was on top of hers.
You know, I really love Andre. Yeah, I think he's my medicine.
My feet were on top of his. So I was like, okay, fine, can do this. But then when him go down, I can't come up back, him start do the Superman laying down.
Okay, guys, so last week we had some fun with the tires, and this week I thought we could have some more fun, right? How many tire rotations can you make in a minute? Teammates stand back to back, and tires will go over your head and in between your legs. Most rotations win. All right, blue team, on your mark, get set, go!
The tire could hardly go through my inner legs, so I had to tip on my toe.
Judith is very short and their legs are very thick. So the tire kind of have a hard time going through.
So every time him bring over the tire now, me have to tip on my toe. I think if I never have a tip on my toe now, me have probably gone through a 1.5 already, or probably 1, 2.
My biggest concern was the timing. First to get the timing in sync. I kind of just had to maintain a squat and kind of rest on her so that I could pass it along and she just threw. I don't think it was bad. Probably could have been a little faster.
Yeah, pick on fast. Yeah, love that, love that, love that. We'll get 3 more. Yeah, man. Sorry, not on this shot. Yeah, man.
Time!
Love that.
The under never good at
Give me a high five, not only me hanging on TV. There we go.
Gosh.
Thank you. Appreciate that. That was decent. That was decent. You have a good trainer. You don't know. Blue team. Blue team for the win. For the win. Yellow team, red team, don't be scared there. I know it's a little intimidating. That's teamwork.
Gavin is a trash talker, but he's also a youngster to me. Gavin can't trash talk. Doesn't know the meaning of trash talk. And I'm here to school Gavin. You have to understand that. If he comes after red team, you have to pass through me first. I'm good with blue team, I'm good with Sheva, and I'm good with Judith. Just Gavin need a lesson, and I'm here to teach him.
All right, yellow team, ready? On your mark, get set, go!
Reach.
At one point in time, Kerry had a lot of energy and she rolled the tire ahead of me, and I had to scramble to grab that puppy before it went away because I knew that precious seconds would have ticked off.
They got a little bit powerful and tires start rolling away, but they did it.
Reach. Reach.
head, tire rotation, my head was like, get the tire through your legs and take it back. I was on a roll. I'm sorry, I never thought about anything else, so whatever anybody else saw was not my intention.
I actually thought we'd have done a bit more of the tire rotations than we did. I think next time if you put rims inside the tires, it might make it better.
Time.
That wasn't so bad. How many did we do? At least 10.
On your mark, get set, go.
Reach. 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 Reach.
Every time Jason throw the tire, every time it connect in my head.
Reach. Reach.
Yeah, I saw every lick that Malika got. I felt it. I feel like he was hitting me, but even though she's getting the hitting, he's getting the jerking. So it just look funny because he's the male and then she just look like she overpower him there. And she have a strong personality. It just really just come off funny.
I tell you, so at that time I feel like they're going to drop down. I have to hold it.
I never really see what go on behind me. I just pass the tire, because she push the tire fast through my foot. And I have to just grab it and fling it over my shoulder. So as she know if set her head good. So if she set her touch her in her head, she just move to the left or move to the right and just take the tire. We have to beat blue team, so we need to try to go as fast as possible.
Good.
Rich!
Good.
Rich! Rich!
Swing it right through.
Time.
Rich!
I'm surprised she didn't walk away feeling dizzy after all of that.
I'll be able to hear this.
Blue team! We got this!
Blue team dead.
I like them look at hypeness, you know, because they see the beauty about the hypeness at some point, because we're all of our days, you know. So you're going to have a challenge where red team, them are going to have it coming.
For me, I can separate competition from seeing somebody and walking past and saying good morning, etc. But I don't really, and I'm really trying to load anybody up on TV per se. But I could just go out on a limb and say that I don't think that she likes me very much.
Him talk some unnecessary things when I call for, and when I talk to him thin skin, him easy for vex.
If we can be cool, I'm fine with that. If we can't be cool, then it just is what it is.
Gavin talk more than him work, more than him exercise. Him talk too much sometimes.
Okay guys, so those challenges looked easy. So we're gonna try something new, right? First up, you're going to try to get the hoop over the cone. You can't run off until a hoop gets over the cone, right? Once you do that, you're going to jump through the green tile, run under the monkey bars, up the green steps, down the purple steps, and tag your partner who will do the same. Fastest time wins.
When I saw the tires, I didn't know it was one tire. I thought I had to do something with the other tire, so that was a trick. So my brain was over here working, in which I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to relax.
On your mark, get set, go.
He did one and it went over. You have to give me a little of the basketball skills. I don't have that.
I would say that this is the first channel where I was like, yo, I can see why people like this show and like being here. I really enjoy that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, him fling the hoop and get the first one, yes, because he's a basketball player. But differently from that, he run like a girl. I don't know what kind of running that way I put on.
Throwing over the hoops, I was going too hard, so it went way over. So even that in itself takes concentration. So then I had to pace myself, and I got the fourth one over. Wish it was the first though. At the point when I realized I was going through that one tire, I had something in my head that when I put through the one foot, I just bring under my body. So mentally, I saw where that would work, and it did work physically.
Gavin say I'm a basketball player, so him have that technique, but I don't really have it. So I think say, me I gotta take longer for shoot, but when I throw it, I said, gone to the right. Throw the second one, gone to the right. I say, oh, all right then. Throw more to the left, and I see it gone, I just jump over it. Me take longer for shoot, but I use back my speed to catch up time.
It came like nothing. You just stay focused and do what you need to do.
After 3 tries, I was lucky enough to get it. Not as lucky as Gavin was to get it in the first throw.
Andre really surprised me with that run. I mean, with his knees, with all the problem with his knees, and I guess because I kind of rest from the workout, the lower body workout, I've been giving him a lot of upper body to take him through. So I think the rest that he has been and taking the medication helps a lot. So he really surprised me with the run. He's really fast.
Going through the monkey bars, I was actually picking up speed and thought I might actually crash into the camera at some point in time, but those guys managed to do very well. I don't know anybody could backpedal that quickly.
Because I've been working with Andre for 3 weeks now, I know now that his ailments don't bother him. Once Andre rests, he move.
Andre is tricking the crowd because Andre say him have knee problem, diabetes. I don't know what kind of problem Andre now have, but lie ma tell. Andre a trick we, cause them the stairs when me see Andre climb, them they not normal.
Good, Andre! Let's go!
Good, Andre. Good.
Andre has great potential, and him don't know him potential. And as time goes by, he will realize what he can do.
Watch out, because we are coming.
Very good. Very, very good. Whatever happens, we be proud. We be very proud.
Okay guys, how was the challenge today?
It was a lot of fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so for part 1 of the challenge, in 3rd place we have the blue team with 23 sit-ups. 2nd place the yellow team with 29 sit-ups, and in 1st place the red team with 43 sit-ups. For the 2nd part of the challenge, there's a tie between the blue and the yellow team with 20, and in 1st place the red team with 25.
That was the tires.
And the 3rd part of the challenge. So in 3rd place, the blue team in 1 minute and 51 seconds. And there's actually a tie between the red and the yellow team with 1 minute and 27 seconds. So our overall winner today is the red team. Congratulations, guys.